Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to get the all data from the database a table. So before that I would like you to request to subscribe my channel if you have not done it. Okay. So here you can see this is my method which is already created here, and this is basically to get the detail on the basis of user ID. Okay. And now we'll create another API here, which is, you can see this is all at the endpoint, and here we'll write the code. Okay. And here we are going to write the code to get all the users who are registered with our system. Okay, by using this API, and we are going to use here authenticate. That means user need to log in to get all the user details. Okay, and this is the request and response parameters, okay, which will be passed from the API request body. Okay, and this is the line of code what I'm going to put. So here you can see this is the first line of, or you can say segment of code. So here first let me copy this one. Okay, and here I will put it here, I will paste it here, and here I will add it like ending line of this. Okay, and one more thing, yes, that is, yep, it's done. Okay, and now here we are going to put the code which will be related to, I mean, you can see here this is going to be check the connection. Okay, so here I will copy this if statement here. Okay, to handle any kind of error scenario if we get from the uh, during the connection. Okay, so this is basically pull dot connection will try to connect with the database, and here I am going to check for connection error. Okay, and here I'm going to paste it. So if error is not null, okay, or you can say error is true, okay, then it will uh, come in this if segment here. Okay, and it will first print the log like it has entered into error, and it will, if it is there is error, then that console.log error will print the complete error object, okay, into the console, and from res.send we are going to send the response. Okay, so here this is going to be for error details. Okay, and yeah, this is again for sending the response with custom message and with the status code. Okay, and this is basically return the control. Okay, from where it is being called. Okay, and now here we'll try to get the data. So here I am going to put, I mean, copy this line of code here. Okay, until close the connection, and here I will paste it. Okay, so the first line you can see it is pool.query. So what this line will do basically here, this will select the ID, email, mobile, and insert datetime UTC as created date from the database table, and the table name is here register. Okay, so yeah, this is the complete query. Okay, and this is the error object. If there is any error, then it will not be remain empty. Okay, this error object will have some data, or we can say error data. Okay, so you can see if getting error, it will reach. Okay, here, so if there will be error, then here we are using connection dot release because we don't want to keep the resource occupied. That's why we are releasing the connection here. Okay, so let me put the comment here as well, releasing the connection, so that you can understand better. Okay, and from the next line we are returning the response. Okay, so yes, you can see let me write here again the comment sent response as an error. Okay, with the status score 400. Okay, and here uh, we are going to return the success response. Okay, with the data. Okay, and data would be like user details, and here we are getting the user in terms of rows, so each user's detail will be received into the row. Okay, and from here we are going to close the connection to release the resource. Okay, so yep, I hope you understood pretty much the uh, code here, what is written. Okay, and now let me run this command. Okay, npm start. Okay, so yeah, basically we first need to we need to build and then run. Okay, you can see now currently we are not able to get the uh, get the email here. I mean the data completely. So because of the wrong token, and now we are going to get the new token by using the login API. So this is the new token, and I will pass it into the users API here in the bearer token. Okay, the new token. Let me paste it here, and now I will hit the send button again, and you can see now we are getting the data. Okay, so here basically we are retrieving all the data, I mean user register data which are available in the database. Okay, so now let me go to check the database how many users are over there. Okay, here I will put my password of database. Okay, and yeah, let me click here. Okay, and here you can see I have the query already written to get the data. So I will just select it and here click on execute, and you can see currently I'm having 10 columns, I mean 10 rows, or you can say 10 registered users in our registered table, and those 10 users are coming here in the API, and here we are not getting the password basically because I don't want to see the password hash here in the response of the API. That's why it has been excluded. Okay, so I'm not getting the data. So I hope you got what the idea.